I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your PayPal account to GCash. First, open your GCash application on your smartphone. Navigate to the Cash In section, then select the PayPal option. You will need to log into your PayPal account through the GCash interface to authorize the connection. This process typically takes only a few moments to complete, ensuring a smooth setup for future transactions. Before linking, it is crucial to ensure both your PayPal and GCash accounts are fully verified. For GCash, this involves submitting a valid government-issued identification and taking a selfie within the app. For PayPal, you typically verify by linking a bank account or a credit or debit card. Full verification helps prevent issues and allows for higher transaction limits, making your experience much more secure and efficient. Once your accounts are successfully linked, transferring funds is straightforward. In the GCash app, go to Cash In and choose PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember, there might be a minimum transfer amount, often around 500 pesos. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. The funds usually reflect in your GCash wallet within a few minutes, though sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. Keep in mind a few important tips for a smooth experience. Always be aware of the transaction limits set by both PayPal and GCash. These can vary. Also, check for any potential fees associated with transfers, as these can sometimes apply. A stable internet connection is vital during the linking and transfer process to avoid interruptions. If you encounter any issues, contact the customer support of either platform for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.